As the night falls quiet and still, my mind can't help but drift to thoughts of you, my love. It's as if, when everything else fades away, my heart turns up the volume on memories of you. In those tranquil moments, as I prepare for sleep, it's your laughter that fills my mind and your smile that lingers with me. I clutch my pillow close, imagining it's you I'm holding. I yearn to feel your warm embrace right then, to be wrapped in your comfort. As sleep begins to claim me, I find solace in the thought of being held in your arms, the one person who means everything to me. Dreams soon take over, and they become like films of our shared moments. When I drift into slumber, our special times together play like a sweet melody in my dreams. Our shared moments dance softly, like a gentle breeze under the stars. We share secrets beneath the moon's soft glow, our hands entwined, leaving footprints on the sands of forever. So, until the morning light breaks, let's meet in our dreams, my love. As I close my eyes, you are the last thought on my mind, and when I wake, you are the first. Our love story dances with the stars, painting our dreams with the magic of our bond. Thank you for being the last thing I think about before sleep, and the first thing I think of when I wake. Until the sun rises and brings us back to the waking world, let's continue our dance in dreams, where our love shines brightly among the stars. Thank you for watching.